What's that? What's that? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's a fish. It's a special kind of fish. It's a flying fish. Where are they? They are found in many seas. They swim near the surface. They leap into the air. They glide above the waves. Their shiny scales flash in the sun. That's a beautiful sight. But where can you find them? In some places, flying fish are just a part of the sea. They are not important. But in one place, they are everything. It is a small island in the Caribbean Sea. It is a place of warm winds and blue waters. It is a place where the flying fish is more than an animal. It is part of the island's culture. It is part of its history. It is even on the national money. You can see it on the coins. You can see it on the stamps. It is also on the national dish. The fish is the flying fish. But what does it look like? Well, it is small. It has shiny silver scales. It has long fins. These fins are like wings. And here is the secret. These wings help it to glide above the water. Not many fish can do this. This is why the flying fish is so special. How does it glide? The truth is, it does not fly. It glides. When danger comes, the fish swims very fast. Then it leaps out of the water. It spreads its long fins wide. The fins work like wings. The fish can glide above the surface, sometimes for 30 seconds, sometimes as far as 200 meters. This is longer than a football field. This helps it to escape from dolphins, from tuna, even from birds above. Why is Barbados so special for the flying fish? Because the waters around Barbados are perfect for flying fish. They are warm. They are full of plankton and seaweed. These are the foods that flying fish like. The gentle currents give the fish space to move, and the coral reefs provide shelter for young fish. Why do fishermen love it? Fishermen know these waters well. They go out early in the morning. They search for schools of flying fish. They use nets. They use skill passed down from their fathers and grandfathers. What happens next? In Barbados, fishing for flying fish is an old tradition. It has fed families for centuries. The fish is small but tasty. It is rich in protein. It is easy to cook in many ways. After a good catch, fishermen bring their catch to the markets. The markets are full of color and sound. There is bargaining. There is laughter. And there is always the smell of fresh fish. Who loves the flying fish? For Barbadians, the flying fish is more than food. It is a national symbol. It appears on coins. It appears on stamps. It even appears on old passports. What is their favorite dish? There is a famous dish called flying fish and cuckoo. It is the national dish of Barbados. Cuckoo is made with cornmeal and okra. The flying fish is steamed or fried. Together, they make a meal that tells the story of the island. Many tourists come to try this dish. They visit Barbados just to eat this meal. It connects visitors to the island's heart. It is a taste of history. What do scientists say? Scientists are also interested in the fish. They study its fins. They study its muscles. They want to know how the fish can glide so far. The fish uses strong muscles in its tail. It beats its tail fast against the water. This gives it power to jump high. Its long fins hold the air. This creates lift, like an airplane wing. Some scientists believe the flying fish inspired old designs of airplanes. Why should we care? But the flying fish also faces problems. The ocean is changing. Climate change warms the water. Pollution harms the reefs. And overfishing makes the fish fewer. Fishermen in Barbados sometimes catch less than before. They worry about the future. They want to protect this treasure. Because without the flying fish, Barbados would lose a piece of its soul. Who else loves the flying fish? The flying fish is not only found in Barbados. It swims across the waters of the Caribbean. It goes near Trinidad and Tobago. It goes near Venezuela. Sometimes different countries argue about who has the right to catch it. These are called flying fish wars. But many leaders now agree. It is better to share. It is better to protect the fish for all. Every year, Barbados celebrates its love for the sea. There are festivals with music. There are boats decorated with colors. And of course, there are flying fish dishes served everywhere. Children learn about the fish in school. Artists paint it. Writers describe it. The flying fish is truly the spirit of Barbados. Why do people love this fish? Perhaps because it seems free. It swims under the water. Then it leaps into the air. For a short moment, it flies. It crosses two worlds, the world of the sea and the world of the sky. For the people of Barbados, this is a symbol of freedom, a symbol of hope, a symbol of rising above challenges. The flying fish has lived in these waters for thousands of years. It has shaped the culture of Barbados. It has fed the people. It has inspired the nation. But its future is in human hands. If we protect the seas, the fish will remain. If we care for the reefs, it will still leap into the air. And future generations will still look at the horizon and see a silver fish gliding like a bird. Barbados will always be called the land of the flying fish. Do you know any stories about the flying fish? Do you have any pictures or videos? Share them with us. We would love to see them.